Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I received a sponsored package from TeckWrapCraft and I'm very excited to share with you the projects I'm going to do with the products they've sent me. So come and join me as I open the box and make these really cool projects. I will also make a review on each product. Because they sent me color-changing vinyls, I thought of designing stemless wine glasses. I created a ready-to-use file on Design Space and I'll share it with you. There are two ways to find it. One, the link is in the description box. Two, I'll show in this video how to find it on Design Space. So let's get started! So this is the package that TeckWrapCraft has sent me. So come and join me as I open the box and make a review on each product. So they sent me this green standard tack mat or the green mat which we're going to use in this video. And they sent me these vinyls which are the cold color changing vinyls and the TeckWrapCraft 001M series bundle. But in this video, I will be using the cold color changing vinyls. I will be making another review and tutorial on the TeckWrapCraft 001M series mat bundle on my next video. So stay tuned! So these are the lovely colors of cold color changing vinyls and the 001 matte bundle that I got from them. So we have Piggy Pink, Green, Tiffany, Red, Sweet Pink, Baby Blue, Apricot, Pink, and Livable Green. And now it's time to open this opal tool pouch. I absolutely love this pouch. This is amazing for any crafter and especially anyone who works with vinyl. Plus, it's only $3 and you will even save more if you use my coupon code DIY by Cess. They also have this mint squeegee and it's only $11 for 2 pieces. And you'll even save more if you use coupon code DIY by Cess. This weeding pen is so pretty. My favorite feature is being able to hide the pin when you're done. Just like a pen, click it and you don't have to worry about stabbing yourself. And we also have the refill for the weeding pen. The shape of this tweezer is perfect for weeding cuts from the mat. And now it's time to make the project. Again, I already created a ready-to-use file on Design Space. In the next few minutes, I'll show you step by step how to find it in Design Space. I also put the Design Space link in the description box below. So open your Design Space app, click those 3 lines, click Home, and then type in DIY by Cess and then enter. And then scroll down a little bit. And then under Community Members, you'll find DIY by Cess, click that. And then click that. If you're not a Cricut Access member, you have to pay for the amount shown below before you can cut the file. But with Cricut Access, it's free. So click Edit a Copy. Now the sizes of these are now ready to go for the stemless wine glass and beer mug that I'm going to use. I got them both from Dollar Tree. So if you're not going to use those exact glass and mug, I would suggest to measure them first and then change the sizes of these accordingly. Now, if you look on the layers panel, you will see the fonts that I used. I got them from Creative Fabrica. I put the link in the description box below. Now click Make It. Now, if you have recently updated your Design Space, you will see this pop up asking how will you load all of your materials for this project. I'll click on Matte, and then I'll leave the mat size to 12 by 12 inches, and then click Continue. Now, I'm just going to move them like so. This way, I can put different colors of vinyl in one mat. Then click Continue. I would suggest to do a test cut, but in my case, I'm just going to use premium vinyl. So click Premium Vinyl, and I always adjust the pressure to more. We can also reuse this sticker to hold the vinyl roll. And there's also a sticker here that says to remove the protective layer. Now I'm going to use the TeckWrapCraft tweezer to remove the protective film of the vinyl. Remove the cap. Now I'm going to use my Martha Stewart precision knife to cut the vinyl portion by portion. I find this technique really helpful whenever I read few or several words in one vinyl. I really love this weeding pen. It's not only nice to look at, but also very comfortable and easy to use. This is the stemless glass that I'm going to use, and I got this from Dollar Tree. This TeckWrapCraft squeegee fits my hand perfectly. Very sturdy and effective when pressing against the vinyl. I love how this TeckWrapCraft color changing vinyl is so easy to transfer. Now, since the surface of the glass is round and not flat, we need to cut the transfer tape around the vinyl. I tried both methods in this project, wet method and parchment paper trick. I wouldn't suggest doing the wet method. The parchment paper trick makes it easier for the vinyl to stick on the glass. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!